What up, guys? Jeremy Ampey here, and today we are doing our sixth move. And today, the sixth move that we are doing in learning how to do jump rope is we are going to be doing jump rope jacks. And so, to start off, Jumprope Jacks, I got my rope here. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put it off to the side here. And so, just to kind of learn, all you're doing is you're going, so you start in like this and just go out, in, out, in. Now this shouldn't be too complicated because I'm sure in school you did a lot of jumping jacks. So look, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. And then look, you can do jumping jacks out. Boom, boom. So good warm up here. Let's do 10 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So see, we're keeping that rhythm. And now what we're going to do is we're going to grab our rope, and you grab your rope, just step over. And what we're going to do is so you did basic bounce like this, right? Now what we're going to do, we're going to go dun, dun, and then back in and stop. And we're just going to continue that. All right, so we're going to do this. It's a 10-minute workout, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. By the end of the workout, I'm sure we're going to be getting probably close to anywhere from 50 to 100 skips, somewhere around there. So let's get after it, shall we? All right, let's do this thing. And here we go. We're going to be starting here in 5 seconds. All right, so we're just going to go 3, 2, 1, up, out, and then stop. Whoops, I just smacked myself. All right, now let's do 2. Out, out. There you go. Great job. Here we go. 3, and then stop. So we'll go out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. That's 4. Great job. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. 5. Excellent. So are we getting that? So look, it's very similar to basic bounce, which is just like this, and then you just out, out, out. Take your first 15-second break. Excellent work. All right, and so this is just a beginner's class. This is getting us used to it. All right, so we'll start up again. Let's do the same thing. We'll start off out, in, out, in. All right, let's do that a couple more times. I know we've already done 5, but let's just get that rhythm. Out, in, out, in. Great, let's do that again. Same one. Out, in, out, in. Excellent work. All right, now we're gonna do 3. Out, in, out, in, out, in. Excellent. Step through. Same thing. Out, in, out, in, out, in. Excellent. Now let's do 4. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Great job. One last round. Here we go. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. And there it is. Great job. Take your 15-second break. All right, now what we're going to do is let's just do 10 in a row. All right, I think you got this in you. 10 in a row. 3, 2, 1, and then we'll take a break. Out, in. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Look at that. You've already done 10. And listen, you can continue if you're getting this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you're getting this, you can continue on. But this is a great way just to keep this going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 2, 1. Take that 15-second break. So we've already done 3 rounds. All right. So now let's up it to 15. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. That's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. Let's do another 15. This time, I'm gonna just count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. And then let's go one last time. Here we go. 15. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 10. Right there. Take your 15-second break. All right, so we're 4 rounds in. Done 15 that time. This time let's try 20. So we're just building it up. Great job. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job. Let's do it again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And let's just do a couple real quick here. 1, 2, 3, and stop and take your 15-second break. We're halfway through, guys. We are crushing it. So now, you know what? We're gonna up it. We're gonna skip 30. Let's do 40, okay? Let's see if we can do it. All right, 3, 2, 1, let's go. And you gotta remember too, is that I'm usually just counting when I'm going out, but there is that other extra hop. So you're kind of getting 2 for 1 in this. It's a great deal. All right. So you should be proud of yourself. Excellent work. You're doing so good. All righty. And right there, 80. Great job. Let's just do a few. I'm sorry, that's 40, but great job. 3, 2, 1. Take that break. So see, I hope we're getting better. All right, now let's see how we're at it. Let's add 50, okay? We're getting better and better. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Right there, guys. Great job. Take that break. So just so you know, that's already right there, 100 skips. Now I said 50, all right? So let's do it again. Let's get to 100 in 3, 2, 1, let's go. And so at this point, it doesn't matter. Look, I just hit my foot 3 times in a row right there. Doesn't matter if you mess up, just jump back in. And see, that happens. It's all part of jump rope. But what happens is we'll make less mistakes the more we're, counting it out, the more we're staying in rhythm. And rhythm really is everything when it comes to jumping rope. All right? So that's huge right there. All right. So that time, I only got 97 skips in with that mistake, okay? We got 2 more rounds. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pick up our pace just a little bit, but our goal, once again, is 100 skips in a row without messing up. Here we go. Look, see? I messed up. It's all part of it. It's a little windier out here right now. And I just kind of messed up my timing just a little bit. Trying to see if I can get back on pace here. I'm at 50. Let's see if I can do it. And messing up is literally part of it. All right. So here we are. I'm at 90. And right there, I got 100 right before. All right, guys. This is our last round. So what I'm gonna do, start kind of go off how we started, do 10 and then 20. Here we go. Out, in, 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 out, in. Right there, take that break. So seeing is good to change it up. So we did 100 in a row and now we're just mixing it up a little bit. And it's good. We need that. Excellent work. Here we are. So just keep that going. And we got 10 seconds left. So I gave us a number, but we're surpassing that number. This is our last round. We're pushing hard. 3, 2, 1. And right there, guys, that is how you do a jump rope jack. So listen, you might have been struggling a little bit with the going out and in, hitting your feet. You know, maybe, you know, we did have a little bit of a quicker pace today just because I know that we've done the basic bounce and you've gotten that. So basically, right, you got the basic bounce, out, in, right? And so I think if you could, if you could do well with that basic bounce, this is definitely the next move in just being able to go to combo it up. And so that's what we're actually going to do tomorrow is we're going to combo it up. I know I was going to, you're like, hey, I wanted you to teach me a new move. Well, listen, part of growing in jump rope is being able to do combos. So what we're gonna do is and this is beginners classes. This is getting us better each day. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have us do basic bounce, then in and out. Basic bounce, in and out. And then we can change it up, in and out, basic bounce, do all kinds of fun things. And then what we could do at the end is we'll add in some basic bounce and we'll do in and out together. And so guys, it's so good for your mind. Even for me today, right? I was messing up. I think I messed up 4 or 5 times during this workout. Usually I'm embarrassed by it. I'm not that embarrassed because why? You know what? It happens. It's part of it. But we got so much better. So with that said, Jeremy Ampey, you've been jumping with Jeremy, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out. Oh, bam, bang, boom.